Now look for the most recent ABCD pattern and draw a trend line connecting the latest A to the latest C. This will be your short-term trend line. Look for the lowest A and draw your trend line using the rules you've learned. This will be your medium-term trend line. And compress your chart or go to the larger time frame to draw the long-term trend line. Okay? Now here's an example showing the long-term trend line, the medium-term trend line, and the short-term trend line. We see the short-term trend line is drawn from the most recent A and C. Okay? Then we have the medium-term trend line and the longer-term trend line. Now pause this video for a second and see if you can identify the short-term trend line and the medium-term trend line. We see the most recent ABCD pattern, A, B, C, D. So we connect the A's and the C's, and we have the medium-term trend line. Now in order to get the long-term trend line, you will need to compress your chart or go to a larger time frame. Pause this video for a second and try and identify the short-term trend line and the medium-term trend lines. Okay, so here we have the short-term trend line. The market has made a lower low or a lower B, so this is the most recent ABCD pattern. A, B, C, D. The market has made a lower low. Now, if the market had not made a lower low, then the inner trend line would have to be drawn from this A, B, C, D. Okay? However, the market has made a lower low. So now the most recent ABC pattern is this one, A, B, C, D. So always remember, if the market has made a lower low, draw the trend line using the most recent A, B, C pattern. And for the medium-term trend line, if the market had not made a lower low here, then we would have connected the medium-term trend line to this C. So because the market has made a lower low, we can connect the medium-term trend line to this A.